Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is The Daily Rage. I mentioned in a previous video that I was setting up a NinjaTrader account, so I wanted to show you what that looks like and how I have it set up. There are a bunch of significant differences from TradeStation, and so far, if you don't feel like a pretty tech-savvy person, I would say NinjaTrader is a little bit harder to get everything organized. TradeStation is very simple, and this one not quite as much. So here's what I have. On the left side here, I have the Russell contract, and very similar to how I had it in TradeStation, I have a bunch of different time frames. So I can do multi-time frame analysis with 2-minute, 5-minute, 15-minute, 60-minute, and the daily. And then on the right here is the NASDAQ, same time frames. And here's what I really do like about Ninja. They have chart trading. TradeStation does too, but really if you've tried it, it pretty much sucks. So this is much, much better. I'm in my sim right now, so I'm just going to do some demos for you. So let's say I was looking at this chart and I see, okay, we're in an upward momentum on the 2-minute and just recently in an upward momentum from the parabolic SAR on the 5-minute. So here is the divergence between the 5 and the 15. And let's just say I thought that it was going to continue to go up, even though right now it's trading sideways pretty much, so I wouldn't really do anything with that. But here's how simple it is. You can pick an ATM strategy, which is basically like an OSO. If I want to edit that, here's how I would set it up. And this is per tick. So remember on the Russell, each tick is $5, same as the NAS. So a stop loss of 30 would be $150, which is my typical stop. And profit target I just have set as 200. That would be $1,000 profit. So I could save as many templates as I wanted doing this. I would say okay. And then that is set up to automatically input those amounts. So let's say I was going to buy at the market. Order filled. And what's nice is then because all of this is right here on the chart, because I'm a very visual person, it really works well for me. So I could expand this out. And then what's cool is I could just pick these up and drag and drop them anywhere I want. Let's say I don't want to wait for $1,000 and I want to bring this down here. I would just click it and then click it again to reset that amount. Also, as I started to get into profit, I can move this stop wherever I'd like to lock in some profit. So sometimes because I have a lot of charts on here, it can get a little small. So I like to widen this out quite a bit, but I could move this up to there, lock in some profit, and it is always going to show me my P&L here. So I'm up about $80 right now. My stop is set to lock in that profit. Stop filled, so it just got stopped out. But that is how it works with the chart trading. So like I said, I really like that as a very visual person. Otherwise, it's very similar. You could always close it automatically here. You could go flat here. This shows your P&L like I showed you. You would set GTC, good till cancel, with your orders. So that is how I have my NinjaTrader set up so far. I will continue to give you some updates as I learn more about the platform and get it going on Ninja. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.